In this video, I'll show you how to generate sound effects in Elevenlabs. First, open your web browser, go to the Elevenlabs website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the sound effects tool from the dashboard. Next, click the prompt box and describe the sound effect you want to create. Include details such as the type of sound, the environment, the intensity, the duration, and any other characteristics you want. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated sound effect will match your idea. Now, click the Generate button and wait a few moments while Elevenlabs creates your sound effect. Once it's finished, play the preview to listen to the result. After that, if the sound effect isn't exactly what you wanted, edit your prompt and click Generate again. You can continue refining your prompt until you're satisfied with the final result. Finally, click the Download button to save the sound effect to your device. You can now use it in videos, podcasts, games, presentations, or other creative projects, depending on your usage rights. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to generate sound effects in Elevenlabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.